So welcome to part 4, and this is the most exciting part for me because this is where we get to the insurance submission. So somebody from your office is going to submit on behalf of the client to get an insurance proposal. And this is how they're going to do it. It's really simple and easy, and I've had a lot of compliments about this process, mainly being because instantly once you put into this, somebody from my office is going to reach out to your client and attempt the insurance proposal at that point, right? We're going to gather the information, and then we're going to take that through to the carriers and present the information back through to your client with the best options. If they want to go forward with that proposal, great. If not, then obviously they will go through with their existing insurance agent. Either way, they're still going to receive some fabulous service from us. That said, the way that we accept insurance proposals to make this, to make our guarantee effective of being able to have a turnaround time of 1 hour, whether it be for binding insurance like this or for estimated replacement cost or for lien holder changes, anything that you might need, we'll do in a 1 hour. But we do a lot of submissions like this so that we can keep a track of the flow of policies that come through. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to look at here is you want to get credit, right? So whoever your loan officer is for your office, or if it's yourself, then just put in your name here. So loan officer's name. So we're going to use, we'll just put in loan officer here, right? That'll be your name. What type of insurance do your clients want to save on? You're always going to click on both. Do they currently have an active insurance policy? Well, maybe yes, maybe no, right? You just answer that question, easy peasy. How much is their monthly auto insurance payment? The more information you can provide me, the better their client experience is going to be, right? So if you can ask this question for me, that would be great. And how much is their home insurance policy? So far, so good. Obviously, you're going to have a lot of documentation to proving their ID. If you could submit for me their driving license for at least one person, hopefully that person doesn't have any tickets, accidents, violations within the last 6 years. That will give us the best rate. And who was their previous insurance carrier? Doesn't really matter in terms of, well, it matters only insofar as that you put the right one down. And then for this one, it is what's the address of the property that needs to be insured? So basically, what is the new, what's the property that they're trying to buy? So what's important here is we put down the first line of the address. But I also need the zip code. So make sure that the zip code is included in any submission. That's very important. Then I want to have an understanding about the vehicles that I'm going to be insuring. So, we can be just as relatively loosely descriptive as possible, but I do need year, make, and model, right? Well, actually, let's make it a newer one, right? Mm-hmm. There we go. And all the residents that will be drivers in the household. But just as long as there's just one in here, that's something for me to work on, right? And their date of birth should be on their driving license, obviously. So. Then their full name. So what's that name? And at least their driving license number from before, in case you wanted to bypass it. And the email that you want to send their quote to. But it basically is just for me to be able to contact them via text and via email.